Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today we're going to be doing another 1-to-1 scale train here, and we're going to be building this Chessie system SD40-2 in the smaller 1-to-1 scale. So let's get right into it. So we're going to start off on the front here, and we're going to put a polished blackstone block on the bottom middle. Then an upside down polished blackstone stair facing outward on either side of it. Up here, a dark oak slab in the middle, and open a dark oak fence gate on either side of it. Then come back here, do a netherite in the middle, and then we need to get polished deep slate slab. Do a slab, a netherite, a slab, and a netherite. Then we're going to do 9 polished blackstone blocks coming up the center. On the front of it, 2 right side up polished blackstone stairs, and on the rest, upside down polished blackstone stairs. Copy it over here, so 2 right side up, and fill the rest with upside down stairs. Then behind this, we're going to do a netherite in the middle, polished deep slate slab, netherite, slab, netherite, and then a polished blackstone block on the end with an upside down stair on either side. Then a dark oak slab in the center, and open a dark oak fence gate on either side of this. Then we're going to come through, and we're going to put hoppers on the sides, on both sides of all these wheels. Just like this. And then put dark oak fence gates in between each hopper. Same thing on this side. Then get back here, fence gates in between the hoppers on both sides back here. Then we're going to crouch, and we're going to put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. Same thing on the front here. Then get the other side. And back here. Now come on top of the front and put an acacia slab in the center. Then a 2x2 of yellow concrete in the middle behind it. Then an acacia slab here and here. And a yellow shulker box here and one on this side. Come down here, put a mangrove sign here, one over here. Then we're going to put 4 yellow concrete coming back up the middle, and on this side 4 yellow shulker boxes, and on this side 3 yellow shulker boxes. Then we're going to turn this right here into a 3x3 of yellow concrete, and then a 3x3 of black concrete above it. Above that, 3 outward facing polished blackstone stairs on either side. Fill the middle with black concrete and 1 black concrete sticking forward. Now we're going to come down to the back here, and we're going to take out acacia slabs, and we're going to put a T-shape of slabs right here. In front of that, we're going to run 2 layers of yellow concrete right up the center. Then above that, we're going to do a single layer of orange concrete to the back of this. On top of this, a black concrete, and then 5 deep slate tile blocks. Then, daylight sensors, 3 of them like that. Then in front of this, 4 black concrete, 2 daylight sensors in the middle. Then right here, 2 sideways observers, and a black concrete. Aligned with these 2 daylight sensors, put 2 upside down deep slate tile stairs on either side. Then a backward facing polished blackstone stair like this on either side, and up here a forward facing upside down stair on either side. Then we're going to take a dark oak trapdoor, and we'll put 1 trapdoor right here. Come up on this front middle and open a dark oak fence gate for the horn. And then anywhere we haven't built something on this top middle, we're going to put black carpet. And come around these fans here, and get in between all these ones and on the back. Then take out acacia slabs again, and down here, do a full row of slabs coming forward up to the cab. And we'll do the same thing over here, whole row of acacia slabs here. Then we're going to take a polished blackstone button, 1 on the center here, 1 on the center here. Then take acacia fence gate, open 1 here, 1 on this side. And then up here, we're going to open a fence gate going this way, and then 1 going this way. Then put a temporary block here, and put a fence gate here and here, take out the temporary block. Do the same thing on this other side, a temporary block here, and then put a fence gate here and here, take out the temporary block. Then behind the cab on this side, a temporary block here, put a fence gate here, take out the block. And then we'll do a full line of fence gates coming along these slabs till you're one block before the end here. Then open one here, up here open one this way, over here open one this way, then open one here, and then on this side do a whole line of acacia fence gates until it comes up to the cab. Then we're going to come on this side here, put 2 yellow stained glass panes, and then 2 orange above it for the blower. Next, we're going to come on the side of the cab here, and we're going to knock out this center block and actually put it in a light blue stained glass pane. And same thing on this side. Then we need to make a bunch of banners here. So we're going to come into a loom with a yellow banner and black dye. Put a vertical on the left and a horizontal on top and bottom. Go to yellow dye and put a yellow border on it. Then we're going to do a new banner, black dye, and a horizontal in the middle. Then we're going to do a new banner, make the top half black, and then put an orange horizontal on the center. Then one more new banner here, and an orange horizontal on top. We're going to put this C1 here, and then on the back right here. Then we'll swing around on the side to represent our lettering here. And we're going to put this letter C right here. Then 3 of these black line ones, skip 1, and 3 more. Then we'll come over to this side. We're going to put the C right here. 3 of these black line ones, skip 1 and 3 more. Then we're going to come up here, this one with the orange on top, put 2 here, 2 here. Then these ones with black on top, 1 here, 1 here. Then 1 here and 1 here. Now come back into a loom with a light blue banner and black dye. We're going to put a border on it, and then a plus shape. Then we're going to do another one with just the black border. Then go to yellow dye and make the bottom half of both of them yellow. Then go to orange dye and put an orange horizontal stripe on the center of both of these. These are for the rest of the windows. So this one goes here and here, and the one with the line in the middle in the center. Then come back here and put this one here on the back of the cab, and on the back of the cab over here. Then we're going to put a black carpet on the nose here. Then up here, we're going to do the headlight, so take out a glow item frame, and we're going to put it on this top middle with a frog light. Then here, a dark oak sign with our number, which is going to be 7612. Same thing over here. Hit both of those with white dye and a glow ink sac. Then come down to the back and put a glow item frame with a frog light right here for the rear headlight. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our 1-to-1 scale Chessie system SD40-2 locomotive. I hope everyone enjoyed this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.